be a hurricane, and we don't want to be in the hurricane getting storms and all of that. And it's going to be major wind and knock over all our stuff, so we put our stuff inside because I had a bike outside. So we're on the way, and the hurricane's called Hurricane Helene, I think. And so yeah, and it's gonna be super scary, because if we didn't if we didn't put up our stuff, something bad would have happened. So whoever's suffering this, hopefully it goes good. So bye guys.